Hi everybody, this tutorial is for a beginner. I just wanted to show you how to make a rocker like this in Solidworks, and it's really pretty easy, this method that I use. So I have a cut here, cut extrude, where my button's going to come out of, and it's just a regular cut. And now I have to find a plane that cuts my model in half, and it would be this one. So I'm going to sketch on that. And then I'm going to take my construction line and come over here, make a line, come over here, make a line. And that's just so I know where my button goes. And I'll go normal 2 again. So now all I do is make my line, take my line tool and make a line like that. And a line like this. I'm not going to use any dimensions for this, just to keep it simple. Oops. And here my button's a little shorter here and a little bit longer there. So I take this and move it back like somewhere around there. And this button's way too high. Just like that. That's good enough for the demonstration. And I'm going to exit my sketch, double clicking twice on the over here or anywhere. And now I'm going to extrude a surface. And now I'm going to do it mid-plane. Make sure it covers my thing. Good enough. Okay, and the next step is to extrude this. So I'm going to sketch on there, and then I'm going to do convert entities right here, and then I'm done with that. I'm going to exit sketch again. Now I'm going to extrude, and instead of line, we're going to go up to surface. Oops. Up to surface. Here's our surface. Merge results. I don't want to merge results for this certain thing. And my button's way too high again, but just as for the tutorial, this will be okay. And we're going to accept that. And now to get rid of this surface, we're going to delete bodies and delete this. Say okay. That's it. Now we got our button. Thank you. I hope this helped somebody. And if you could think of any future tutorials that you need to know, and if I know it, I'll make a video for it. Thank you. Goodbye.